Okay, welcome back everybody, and yes, here it is. This is what it was going to look like, I guess, I suppose. So, here it is, as we're looking at it right now. This is what it's supposed to look like, the mount, as you do it, see? So you got the top piece, the bushing, and then in between the bushing and the bracket. Now, oddly enough, the bolt would not, it was moving, but then it just stopped. And it just kept turning, so I decided to cut it with my Sawzall. So more than likely, if your truck has not been replaced with these mounts before, you're going to have to saw it off and get new hardware, supposedly, if you have it. Well, you got to go to the hardware store and get it. But, you know, this kit supposedly supposed to supply with you everything, you know, which it looks like it does for the most part. But to rob Peter to pay Paul, I had to source out my own nuts. That's so weird how this kit does not include the nuts. I guess they assume that you're going to reuse the existing one that's on there. I don't see how. Look at that. Look how rotted that is. How can I reuse this? There's no way in hell I'm going to be able to reuse this. So it's kind of stupid, you know. Of course, China-made product and not the greatest of by design. I think it will work. I just hope that the washer that's on top of it does not offset the frame to body. But if it does, well, you know, there's nothing I can do about it. It's just the way it is. And like I said, there's not many sources out there. Sure, I could have went with the polyurethane bushings by I forgot what the brand is, but I don't want a stiff truck. This is not a race car. This is just a regular old school everyday driver truck. So I don't want that. So, and I thought about it, but I'm like, no, this is not what the truck needs. The truck needs only these. So let me show you the pieces that comes out of this thing. So yeah, that's the big ass washer. Can't reuse it. Look at that. Look how rotted that is. Oh God, is that bad? Real bad. Sits on top of the frame to the bushing like so, like that. And then the bushing that was sitting in there was this one right here. So it's two pieces, sits like that. And then of course you got your bolt, nice ripped off washer, and this was underneath. So this was a sit on top of that. So this is what it looks like. Nice sandwich, huh? Look at that. Man, rusty sandwich, that's what it is. And of course the metal in the middle ripped up a nice hole. And of course this thing pulled right out, and now it was bouncing. So hopefully that fixes that problem on the front end. That's one side down. Now, I wouldn't tighten this out just yet. I would have to go to that side and remove that too, and then we can tighten it down. I bet any money that's going to end up looking like this too. So be aware, if you get this kit, part number 92 or 924, 180, mind you, get your own nuts for this thing. Luckily I found some. I got a whole array of bolts and nuts and washers, so it's always good to source out your stuff and keep them aside. I found, I think, my other nut is right here, so there we go. So that's my advice to you. Works in general, but not always the case will it work perfectly, because it's not OE. Alright, next video will be when it's all completed. See you in a bit.